Harley, how do I know when and how to change my investment strategy? Hey everybody, Harley Shanklin here, Senior Financial Investment Advisor with RDW Financial Group, bringing you another Financially Fit Friday, where we take finance and fitness and bring them together for all your financial and retirement planning needs. So, hey, a lot of times we get the question of, how do I change my investment strategy, or how do I know when to change it? Well, here's the thing. When it comes to fitness, there's the principle of periodization. And that's the idea that we want to change our training regimen the closer we get to our actual goal, or while we're in our goal. So I'll use professional athletes as an example, right? During the off season, their workouts are typically much harder because they are trying to build up towards the season. And then once they get into the season, they still work out, but it's more of a maintenance schedule. When it comes to your financial and retirement needs and your investments specifically, we can use that same concept of periodization. While you're in your working years and you're saving and you're accumulating, that's when you want to work hard to build that up, just like those professional athletes do in the off season. You can consider your accumulation years, your working years, as that off season time. You're building up for that retirement season. And as you get closer to that, you want to begin to taper off, right? So that may need bringing down the amount of risk that you're taking in your investments, right? Changing that up a little, maybe building up more of the cash liquid savings. So when you go into retirement, should you encounter a significant market decline, right, or drop in the market, you have plenty of cash reserves on hand, right, that can help you supplement it. And then as you go into transition into retirement, transition into that retirement season, you still want to keep investing, right? Still keep money out there in the market, but you want to set it up in a more conservative manner so it's more of in a maintenance cycle during that time. Doesn't mean you want to pull it all out or anything like that. Now, if you out there have questions about, hey, Harley, what season am I in, right? Am I in my retirement season? Am I coming into it? How do I know when and how to start making those changes? That's what all of us at RDW Financial Group do through our proprietary retirement start planning process. We help lay out, what is your secure income? What is your tax efficiency? What is your advanced planning needs, your risk management, all to build that tailored investment strategy to make sure that you are using the right strategy for the right period, right season of life that you are in. So if that is of interest to you, if you have questions, reach out to us, visit us, rdwfinancialgroup.com. You can also find us right here on Facebook. Comment below. We would love to set up a meeting to put together your custom start analysis and show you what season of life you're in and how to prepare successfully for the next. So with that, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week, and I look forward to seeing you soon to help you create that better and brighter financial future. See you, everybody.